Hi everyone! Welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Bagua to analyze a house's Feng Shui using real-life examples. So what is Bagua? Bagua literally meaning 8 trigrams. There are 2 types of Bagua, the Early Heaven Bagua and the Later Heaven Bagua. The one we commonly use in Feng Shui analysis is the Later Heaven Bagua, which was founded by King Wen of Chinese Zhou Dynasty. He once said,
"When the world began, there was heaven and earth. Heaven mated with the earth and gave birth to everything in the world."
Yes, Bagua encompasses everything in life, from anatomy to geography, from human beings to animals. In this video, I will share with you how to determine different directions of family members in a house using Bagua, so that you would be able to improve your house's Feng Shui and create a good Feng Shui environment in your home. Now let's get started. According to the ancient Chinese Luo Shu and Later Heaven Bagua, each of the 8 Bagua areas represents a family member, and the family members are father, mother, 3 sons and 3 daughters. Each area of the Bagua has a name. The Qian trigram is in the northwest. This direction is associated with father, and the element belongs to metal, and colors are represented by silver and gold. The Kun trigram is located in the southwest. This direction is associated with mother, and the element belongs to earth and the color is brown. And in the east, we have Zhen trigram. It's associated with the eldest son. The element belongs to wood and the color is green. The Xun trigram is located in the southeast. The family member associated with this direction is the oldest daughter. The element belongs to wood and the color is also green. Kan trigram is located in the north. This direction is associated with the second son. The element belongs to water and the colors are blue and black. In the south is the Li trigram. This direction is associated with the second daughter. The element belongs to fire and the color is red. The Gen trigram is in the northeast. This direction is associated with the third son. The element belongs to earth and the color is brown. And in the west is the Dui trigram. This direction is associated with the third daughter. The element belongs to metal and the colors are silver and gold. Once we've understood the characteristics of each areas of the Bagua and the associated family members, we can now apply these concepts to conduct our Feng Shui analysis. Here is an example of a floor plan. In this example, north is at the bottom, which happen to have the same directions as the Bagua. But if your house's sitting and facing directions are different to the Bagua directions, you need to rotate it to ensure the directions are the same. Not all floor plans are in a perfect square or rectangle. Some floor plans have missing corners, like the one in this example. Now I'm going to show you how to identify the directions of the missing corners. Step 1. Complete the floor plan by drawing a square or rectangle along the furthest boundary of each side of the floor plan. Step 2. Find the center of the floor plan. We can use a ruler to accurately find the center. Step 3. Lay the Bagua on top of the floor plan. Make sure the middle plan. Step 4. Divide the floor plan into 8 areas based on the Bagua map. Step 5. Clearly label the directions of your floor plan. Remove the Bagua from the floor plan, and here you have 8 equally divided areas. Step 6. Color in the missing areas of your floor plan. Identify the directions of the missing areas and the associated family members. Now it will be very clear to identify the exact direction of the missing corners in your house. As you can see, the missing corner in the southwest is quite big. As we've learned earlier, southwest is associated with mother. Therefore, a large missing area in this part of the house could affect the mother's health or career. The missing areas in the southeast and the east are relatively small, so the negative effects on the eldest daughter and the eldest son would not be very big. Similarly, the missing areas in the north and northwest are also very small, so the negative effects on the second son and the father are also quite small. And finally, the tiny missing area in the northeast, where the third son is located, is not a big issue. I hope you find my videos helpful. If you like my videos, feel free to leave your comments and subscribe to my channel.